Here at West Midlands Fire Service, we have a vision. Everything we do is connected. Through our highly trained staff, we aim to deliver the best fire, rescue and risk reduction services, which have our communities at heart, helping them to stay safe and to thrive. Our Community Risk Management Plan is the foundation of our 3-year rolling strategy and priorities. These not only cover how we reduce risk across the West Midlands, but also how we ensure our service is a great place to work, with a focus on using data and technology, all for the benefit of our communities. Our planning takes into account the views and needs of our communities, our partners, and of course, our staff. But the services we deliver are about much more than 999 calls and emergency response, like our prevention and protection activities, which make people and businesses in the West Midlands safer and stronger. Our research and data help us understand who's most at risk from fire and other incidents, and when and where they happen. This data also helps us to identify opportunities to improve, use our resources effectively and efficiently or differently, and to help those who need it most. But there's a lot more to consider. We want our services to be outstanding, to offer more to our communities and partners. So we need to adapt, to be future-proof. For a lot of people, their health can influence their safety. That's why we support the most vulnerable to lead healthier and safer lives, to reduce the risk of them needing us in an emergency. More of the incidents to which we respond, or might in the future, are influenced by things like climate change and national projects, so may need a specialist response. We gather evidence to help us better match our levels of response to different types of incidents, like sending fewer firefighters on smaller vehicles to minor traffic collisions or outdoor fires. Many of the automatic fire alarms we respond to are false alarms. We want to respond, but only when we're needed. All this helps to keep other staff and resources free, so they can continue with risk reduction work in our communities and be ready to respond to more serious incidents when they happen. The health, safety and well-being of our staff is a priority, for us, for them, for their families, and to ensure the best possible outcomes for our communities. The values we've created together guide everything we do for our communities. And everything we do is connected.